Today is day 6 of my Bonne Maman advent calendar. And this is door number 6 here on the bottom. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
And this is sweet orange passion fruit spread. Ingredients: sweet oranges, passion fruit, sugar, brown cane sugar, concentrated lemon juice, and fruit pectin. I'm using my Hamilton Beach mini multi-cooker, and I am going to make some orange passion fruit glazed chicken with vegetables. So I turn the slow cooker on so we can come up to heat as we prepare what we're putting inside of it. Here's what I have on my cutting board. I have a small potato, I have 2 carrots, I have some frozen green beans, and I have some chicken drumsticks. I'm going to use 2 of the chicken drumsticks. I'm going to cut up these vegetables, and with whatever room that's left in the pot, I'm going to add some green beans. So I cleaned the carrot, I peeled the carrot, and I cut it into small pieces. I'm putting the carrot in the bottom of the slow cooker. I did the same with the second carrot. I added the potato that has been peeled and cut into pieces. There are my 2 chicken legs. They're on top of the potatoes and the carrots, and I like it when they cook and all the juices run down into the vegetables. Now I'm going to add this orange passion fruit spread. Love that pop. And I'm going to taste a little bit first. It's so good. It tastes like orange marmalade, but with passion fruit in it also. I really like this. I really like it. This Bonne Maman calendar has some really interesting combinations. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spoon this onto the chicken. As everything heats up, this should get nice and melty and form a glaze. And you could add some like balsamic vinegar, some other spices and herbs and stuff, but I really want to taste this jam, or this fruit spread, excuse me. So I don't want to add too many other flavors. I don't really want to get complicated. I want to keep this as simple as I can, like as simple as possible. You could add salt and pepper if you like, but that looks really good. Now I'm going to put some of these haricot vert, these small green beans, around the sides. I like a lot of vegetables, so why not take advantage of as much space in here as we can. We could probably put a few on top of the chicken also. So this will be really nice. It'll be chicken with carrots, a little bit of potatoes, and these green beans. Okay, there we have it. It looks so good. Let's cover this. And this is all good to go. It's going to continue to cook for 3 hours and 48 minutes. And I've noticed that the slow cooker here is a bit fast, so everything should be nicely done when we come back. I'm also adding a small pat of butter just for a little bit more richness. I just opened up the slow cooker and everything is piping hot. Everything also looks nicely cooked. So I'm going to take everything out and put it in a dish. Look how good this looks. I just tasted the broth, and the broth is so yummy. It tastes just like the fruit spread. This is what's going on inside the slow cooker. There's still some more vegetables, and there's quite a bit of broth. I did not add any water when I put the ingredients in the slow cooker. That's all just natural broth from the vegetables and from the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna start off by tasting one of the potatoes. I did add some salt and pepper. I love the potato. It still has a nice texture to it. It has not been cooked too long. Sometimes when you cook it too long, they get too mushy. Definitely not the case here. Same thing for the carrots. Let's taste the green beans. Out of all the vegetables, the green beans are the softest, but obviously they're the thinnest, so that would make sense. It's better when you put them on the top because they're not going to get as squishy as if they were on the bottom. And they all have a really nice flavor from the fruit spread. It's like a buttery orange passion fruit sauce on them. So good. Let's taste some chicken. Chicken is so hot. The flavor is definitely more concentrated in the chicken than it is in the veggies, but that would make sense because I put it on the chicken. So, so good. I'm really going to enjoy this entire plate. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.